Hello, good evening sobke once again Nagaland Times News Channel ti welcome kura ase itia ajila notun khobor kan update kuri dibo. Ajila first update ti ase Uttarakhand rain life update kura hisab tu 16 June murjaise aro 100 tourist kan rescue kurloi shikoina khobor pa ase. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Damai release kura hisab tu pani state te bishi aha nimiti muratoli 16 June hoi jaise aro area of Ramgarh Tala tu pani bra cover kurla ko ase. Aji tak te Kerala state ti heavy rain landslide flood bra muratu huile 27 hoi jaise aro bishi jokhom hoina missing thakya pi report pa ase. Next ase online shopping ti shocking incident ho report pa ase itu moina October te ekjon tu football token Mindra bra order kura tu bra receive kurise kuina Twitter te viral kuri thakise. Tu wrong product pan mite customer support mangina replace kurubole kwa tu Mindra response kuri dise itu items replace kurubole naparbo kuina. Tu itu saman loina Twitter te post kuri dise ita tu 34cc bra pukhina football khelbo kuina post kuri thakise. Itu similar incident te itu bar big billion DSL te ekjon tu Apple iPhone 12 order kura tu shop aro bra Flipkart bra pa tu koi thakise. Ajikali online shopping te bishi shocking incident aro product khan receive kur thakya tu pa ase itu karni online order te bal bra check kurina receive kurbole koi dia ase. Next ase report hisab tu night super bus tu aji morning ju ulaise kuina report pa ase Imphal tu Kohima jai thakya te sources hisab te driver tu gari loina servicing center te pani bara bole rakhi dia tu sparks olop thakise tu driver aro passengers khan milai gena servicing pipe loina mutai thakise ulipi para nai koi thakise. Tu jui aste aste bishi hoi jai na rukhabole napara hoi jaise itu karni servicing malik bra fire service department khan ki mati dise aro tinta fire brigade khan ponchi gena jui tu motai dise aro incident te kunpi jokhom ha tu report nai koina itu pi khobor te add kuri dia ase. Next ase Manipur government tu private bank khan bra kinka function kurlo ase itun miti jonai dis report investor koina root awakening to 2019 October bra announce kurlo she government in excel te dujon self style leader press conference London cases to register kurian ase aro NIA investigation te ekjon tu still jail te thage ase. Private bank aro unregulated financial institution tu state te khole ase. Tu question tu kura ase kile majority bra private bank choose kura ase itu tu simple thakya ko ase itu tu interest rate tu bishi high thakya nimite ase. Loan section te private bank tu joldi release kuri dibo aro interest rate bishi high bra kale kurlo ase. State Director of Institutional Finance koi dise ajikali tu private bank matter te loan lobole bishi easy hoi jaise itun miti bishi bak bra joldi process khetai na interest rate tu uthai dia ase. Aro microfinance company investment kur thaga tu gambling ase koina report te koi thaga khobor te update kuri dia ase. Next ase Assam BJP President Bebas Katila report te state government tu two-wheeler tripling kurubole ko ase petrol price bra 200 te uthi jai pichete khobor te Assam BJP chief pi koi thaise sobra ita tu gari charibol like kile te la dam tu bumper price ho jaise state aro across country te common people la income tu COVID-19 pandemic karni dangor effect ho jaise itun miti state government tu approach permission te two wheeler hi uthabole statement kura ase petrol la dam bra 200 te uthi jaise kule. Next ase JSC tu Haranangku village Chandal district te protest demand tu kura ase All Manipur Tribal Union President BD Romeo ke release kurubole nimite BD Romeo tu NSNI militant proof nimite Lamphal Police aro Imphal West Commandos khan bra 16 October bosti bra arrest kurlose itun mite JSC khan tu protest rakhe ase. Media statement te BD Romeo tu social activists aro student community thakya ko ase aro ita working president of Manipur International University body kura ase koi dise itun mite CSO of Chandal district tu ready kura ase state government bra leader ke release na kule agitation tu national project aro national highway khan block kuri protest tu sur kurbo. Next ase Prime Minister Narendra Modi tu kali Wednesday te UP visit kurbo aro Kushinagar International Airport inaugurate kurubole ase. Prime Minister office report te itu international flight inaugurate te Colombo Sri Lanka delegation khan 100 Buddhist monk dignitaries aro 12 members of Holy Relays khan pukhina aibol thakya pi report pa sab update kuri dia ase. Next ase Union Home Minister Amit Shah bra aji Modi van flag off kuri dise itu moina akiti koi thakya laga. Itu pasta ventu pasta Vidhan Sabha constituency Uttar Pradesh ti run kurubole thakya jonai thagise. Itu Modi ventu 32-inch television aro high speed internet service thakibo aro Prime Minister monthly radio man ki baat address kurubole ko ase. Public relay aro political leader speech khan pi itu ven bra kuruba aro itu ven tu telemedicine 39 blood sample check kurubole machine khan pi thakya ase. Modi venpi COVID-19 vaccination ti motom krubo remote bosti erate. Reporte itu ventu alak scheme ti cholabole parbo koina jonai dishe 20 years of Prime Minister Modi government center ti rule kure ahala namte. Jase India Army khan bra terrorist chujon Pakistan based LET khan ki Ranjori forest area bra mari dishe. Reporte itu bar Ranjori jungle operation ti India Army khan nojon mari dishe itu nimite Chief of Defense Staff to area visit kurgina discussion to rakhiloise local commanders khan. India Army commander ko dishe terrorist khan operation ti advantage loi thaga tu ba repair of two nimite continuously position to change kurase aro inika India Army khan ki mari dishe. Pakistan based jihadist group tu papna ase tai khan tu Taliban khan bra Afghanistan occupy kurla nishna Jammu and Kashmir te ahibole holipi na parbo koina army release kura ase. Aro ajila sam khobor yate bra khotom kura ase sob manu take care stay safe.